Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Vijay Tucker Fitness. Today, I want to discuss a very important issue. But before that, I want to really know that do you suffer any of these symptoms very frequently, such as frequent and excessive hunger, random and intense cravings for sweets, fatigue, and weight gain? If you experience any of these problems, then this video is for you. So watch it till the end to know how you can tackle these problems within a month's time. So do you know what the problem is? It's actually insulin spike.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
Now you would ask me what exactly that means. Our bodies use a simple sugar known as glucose to get energy. This glucose is the main type of sugar in the blood and usually comes from the foods we eat. But the sugar level needs to be very well maintained at a normal and a healthy level of around 5.5 millimoles per liter of blood to stay healthy and energetic throughout the day. So this level of sugar in the body needs to be very well controlled, and therefore, especially after a meal, the glucose in the body is controlled by this hormone called insulin.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Guys, think of this insulin as a key to the house being the body. Without the key, you cannot enter and you will be standing outside, stranded at the door, waiting aimlessly, becoming increasingly impatient. In the same way, without insulin, glucose particles cannot enter the cells in order to be converted into energy. And that is when they hang around in your bloodstream at extreme levels, which is when the problem arises. Glucose particles keep building up more and more until they clog your bloodstream. And when this happens, it builds up into your blood and raises the blood sugar levels and leading to a lot of health issues, with the main one being the weight gain. So how do we fix this problem? Don't worry, I'm going to give you 5 ways on how you can lower your insulin levels and lose weight effortlessly. The first way is to lose weight by lowering your insulin levels by avoiding food that get absorbed in your body very quickly and cause an insulin spike. Foods like energy drinks, milk chocolate, candies, fruit juices, etc. are some of the foods that are common with insulin spikes. Instead, get your glucose from slow absorbing foods like the oats, whole wheats, bean, fruits and vegetables. So guys, the second way to lose weight by lowering your insulin levels is by adding non-carb foods such as eggs, meat, fish, olive oil, avocados, nuts and seeds. I know pizza and burgers are very tempting, but they're incredibly high in carbs and eating these food can actually lead to an insulin spike, making you fatter. And replacing them with protein and fat-rich food sources such as eggs, meat, fish, nuts and seeds rarely convert to glucose and therefore they don't spike your insulin, and that's the great news. Also not making you fat. Not only that, these foods actually, the protein and fat rich food will keep you fuller for longer so that you don't keep feeling hungry all the time. So guys, the magic tip number 3 to lose weight and lower your insulin level is to exercise regularly. This point is probably a no-brainer because you all know what I think a great combination is of a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of a sponge. When you squeeze the sponge out, it loses all its water and now it is ready to absorb more. Now think of your muscle as the sponge. Once you finish the workout, the muscles burn up all the sugar in the body and allowing it to refeed, exercise and repeat without adding any excess weight. While you're exercising, the body sensitivity to insulin increases, meaning your cells respond better to insulin, effectively converting the glucose to energy. Exercising at least 20 to 40 minutes a day gets your heart beating faster and allows the glucose to enter the cell. This increased sensitivity will help you to lose weight. So guys, the magic tip number 4 in losing weight and lowering your insulin level is doing resistance training. Yes, that's right. Resistance training is the contraction of muscles against any external force like the resistance band, free weights or simply your body weight. Now imagine a sugar bowl. When you overfill the sugar bowl with the sugar certainly overspills. It makes a real mess. But if you get a bigger bowl of sugar, then it can be filled in without the problem of overspilling and the mess is completely avoided. Muscles are a kind of a sugar bowl in that sense. If they are not big enough, it cannot hold the food that you eat, which gets converted into blood sugar. It simply cannot enter the cell, creating an insulin spike. Resistance training, my friends, coupled with a sound protein intake, will help you avoid this mess completely. Resistance training not only increases the heart rate, which is essential for you to lower your insulin, but it also increases the lean body mass, that is, your muscles, and decrease your weight and body fat. And guys, the last fifth tip, which is the most important one of the way that you can lower your insulin levels and reduce your weight, is to reduce your stress levels. Yes guys, physical and emotional stress are incredibly harmful for your body and for your health and your weight loss goals, because they increase the blood sugar very easily. So when you're very stressed, the body responds and releases a stress hormone called cortisol, which in turn makes the cells very resistant to insulin, therefore leading to high blood sugar. And in the absence of body's proper response to insulin, what happens? Yes, the sugar is staying in the blood, finds easily its way into the fat storage under your skin. So to combat the stress, it's very, very important for you to get enough sleep, take time for yourself, and meditate. So my friends, those were the 5 magical ways to reduce your insulin levels and also lose weight in the process. Remember to stay positive and consistent, and also remember that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Follow this lifestyle for a minimum of a month's time and you will definitely see your waistline and insulin go down. If you want to know more about weight loss, nutrition and fitness, subscribe to my channel right now and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video. See you next Friday at 8 o'clock. Till then, stay positive.